Alright, so hello guys, welcome back to the Quadros YouTube channel. So for today's
Hey
video, we're gonna
guys,
be
it's
showing you
me.
Raphael, the new recruit. So can you
Yes,
he
it's introduce
he's not,
yourself, Mister. Introduce yourself.
yeah. Introduce yourself. Say hi,
Well,
Raphael, say hi.
Guys, I'm Rafael.
Yeah. So this is
I
Gadiel.
see.
So this is Gadiel right
He's
here.
kinda shy to speak on camera, but he's a pretty funny guy.
Yeah, he's
He's
very
pretty funny.
funny.
Hi guys.
He's even Gadiel is here.
Yeah,
So you're gonna be saying, "Oh, where's Mershon? Where's Mershon?" Mershon is like not here right
yeah,
now.
chief.
He
He's like gone for the moment, so
yeah
we should be
I
expecting
can't play
him to
with him
come back
because I
soon,
have beef
okay?
with him.
yeah he has Chris has beef with Mershon, so he's not here for now. Okay, so don't worry.
He's not gonna be here for a
Okay,
while,
who's the
guys.
bravest one? Who's the bravest one? Who's the bravest one?
I'll go first. I'll go first. I'll go first.
Hey, come here, Gadiel. Gadiel, come here.
What's
Come,
up?
This is so
get this
scary.
camera. Get this camera. Don't record yet, okay?
This looks like a carpet. Why does this look like a carpet?
Never mind. I'm running
Guys,
away.
this isn't even scary.
I'm
Guys,
Why
why
does
are you scared?
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, I'm almost gonna die. I'm at half a heart shot.
I'm scared because
How?
the
How?
spider
How?
is
How?
there.
How? Explain,
Stay
explain.
away from the spider.
How did you get half health? Oh shoot! That's a big spider, bro.
Yeah, that's literally
Bro,
what I'm
it's so
saying.
black.
Oh no! Guys,
He
save
died.
me!
Oh, he almost died.
I see it.
Guys, I
Barely
need
made
help.
it. We
Yeah,
barely made it.
Come here.
Spider-Man almost killed me.
Come here.
Tap this
Where are you?
I'm
scared
here.
effect, you know?
No, Raphael. What
Bro, why
happened?
does everything look like a car?
Spider-Man almost destroyed me.
It's coming out. It's coming out. I hate spiders. I hate spiders, bro.
Bala, you guys are just do it. I'm gonna stay here. You guys do it.
Dude, help!
I'm
I'm
not
at the
gonna.
start. I'm
Struggling
at
on
the start.
English,
I'm.
bro.
My
No,
fear
no,
is
no, no.
my fear is spiders, bro. Help! I'm gonna die.
You're fine. You'll be fine, guys. You'll be fine. Meanwhile,
Me
I'm
and Daniel
recording.
are lost. We're literally lost.
Bro,
We
like
have,
for real, bro.
Help!
we're lost. We don't even know where we are.
Dude, y'all.
Bro, in mobile, why does the jump button on mobile look like pooping? I'm not even gonna cap, bro.
I hate spiders.
I'm not
The
even
question
capping,
is
bro.
another spider.
Oh,
Ah, there's a spider! There's a spider!
dog, just help me for real. I'm scared of
No,
spiders.
no, help me. There's another spider, bro.
I'm stuck even here. You guys can run, and I'm stuck here.
Oh, shoot. What's up, guys? I'm recording on my camera right now, and today we're gonna go here in the CBD toilet, Ohio Wrestlers. So, as you can see, let's get in it.
Bro, it's not. That's why AM YouTuber.
Boy, this is the 3 a.m. goofy people.
Oh,
Great to
I'm gonna
be
die.
YouTuber, man.
Bro, don't fall there. You wanna fall there?
My gosh. That's Sev. That's Sev, but why?
Damn, I'm
why
not
Sev-
even gonna cut. Can I say this on cam?
No. Yes.
Oh, I can't. It's something that Prince said.
What?
Bro, in Kirby, there's a guy named King Dede, and then Prince said it looked like
What? Maybe
Uh,
I don't get you.
Liam
I'm not
C.
even capping, bro.
Dude,
Bro, there's a guy called King Dede in a Kirby, and Prince said it would look like you.
what?
I'm not
That's
even
crazy.
capping, bro.
That's crazy. He looks like crazy. Guys, where are you? I swear I'm gonna die because of a
Bro,
spider.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm just looking
Guys,
at
go
random
to 1
things.
Guys, go to 1 meter distance. You all are at 600 meter distance. You
Bro,
guys are
Bro,
not.
I'm literally with.
Guys, my only last words
Bro,
are
I'm
bye bye
literally
bye.
with Christopher right now, bro. I'm with Christopher.
oh, it's now. Oh my
Oh
god.
no, there's a big spider. Guys, there's a big spider over here.
Oh my gosh, it's behind you, it's behind you, it's behind you.
Guys, it's a spider. Oh my gosh. Actually, though, help, help. Yo,
You guys are
No,
dying.
no.
what the
Oh,
dog,
did you
dog.
die?
I'm gonna die.
No.
We barely made it. We barely made it alive.
It's a spider.
Guys,
Guys, there's a big spider right there.
guys, run. That's my only trick. Just run.
Bro, I literally just
Why am
reported
I
him. What is
getting jump scared with this life? Let's go down and see what we may find.
Guys, we gotta record monsters. You gotta be brave. I'm
Guys,
out here.
Ow,
killing
I'm
a
dead.
spider.
I'm dead.
Ha!
Oh,
Gosh,
we're dead.
I swear.
Bro, guys, you wanna play a different game?
No. We're gonna play.
bro, I don't even know how to play the game.
Oh, we
Let's
gotta.
restart. This time I'll hold the camera.
Yeah. Where are y'all?
Because I
Hey
don't
guys,
know how
let's
to play
sleep.
this
Let's
game.
sleep. Let's
Pick
sleep.
up all
Let's
the
sleep.
Boy, I don't even. Someone use the camera. I'm not doing the camera, bro.
Christopher. What about you?
Why
What
am I
about you?
gonna do the camera?
No, 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 no. Skibidi toilet. No, no, no. Let's let the master cook. Let's let the guy that
What ab-
recommended to this game to us cook.
Yeah, that's Sev. His
No,
name
no,
is Sev.
please. No, I'm scared of spiders, man.
Man.
It's just a game, bro. Relax.
Fine, I'll do it.
Even
Do it.
though, even though it's just a game, I'm scared of spiders. It's gonna eat me.
Bro. He like a baby.
What am I gonna do, guys? What am I gonna do?
Guys, let's go in the pod.
What? Guys, my
Oh,
thing
we need
is
to go to
sick.
bed. Go to bed.
My thing is sick, bro.
Bro, we need to go to bed.
This is cool. You can customize your stuff. That's amazing.
Yeah, do you like mine? Do you like mine? Do you like mine?
Guys, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Angas. Red Sev. Malibu Sev.
Okay,
Wait for me,
Go
guys.
to bed,
Beep,
boys.
beep, 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 beep.
Bro, what are you doing? Day 2, boys. We got in day 2.
Day 2 boys.
Alright, guys.
Welcome vlog.
So,
Welcome
we
to our
might
Let's
vlog.
go. Let's go, homie.
I'm gonna die first, probably.
Bro, yo, Christopher. Let's go, Christopher.
I'm gonna get cooked.
Yo, Rafael.
Okay, moves good.
Are you on mobile?
No, I'm on computer.
Oh,
Wait, hold
I'm
on.
the only one on mobile.
Yes.
Hey guys!
Here.
My first video.
Sam, can you give me the camera?
Why? Okay, here. Are you sure you want?
I'ma leave you guys.
What?
Bye bye.
Oh god,
That's,
you
I'm
left.
joking,
gonna
I'm joking.
work, laugh.
Get inside, guys. Get inside.
Bro, lock the door. I have a- Bro, lock the door real quick. Lock the door. Lock the door. I can get in there. You do know that. Lock that door.
Guys, wait.
I can go in that door. I can go in that door, by the way. I can go in that door.
What's up?
Seb, bilisan mo, Seb.
I can go to that door, by the way. I can
Seb,
go to
hurry
that
up.
door. Hold on,
Seb, hurry up.
Let me show my magic trick first. Lock that door.
Sam.
Malaki yun.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Seb,
Okay.
get in.
I know. Just wait. I can get in by magic. I can get in by magic. Look.
Are you trying to watch
By
me?
magic. By magic. Hi guys, this is magic.
I could do that.
Seb, just get in.
I know. I already got it.
Wasting time. Let's go. Wee. Bro, and you told me I'm the shy one, bro.
Where's the camera? I'm gonna record, please.
Okay. You want to always record here?
This flashlight's already broken.
Record. Oh, there.
Come on, we protect you.
Guys, look behind
Bear,
you.
where is he? Okay, Bear.
Oh, shoot. Run.
Guys,
Ay,
go
wala kayo dyan.
Look at this scary thing.
Guys, come here.
Scary
Oh, shoot. Oh. Bye. Good luck. No.
This is so horrific.
Come on, bro. Oh no.
Guys, alis na tayo. Nakakuha na ako ng video.
Dali.
Okay.
Sip, nandyan ka. Uy!
Saan ka na ba, eh? Saan ka na?
Dalian mo, guys.
No, Chris.
Uy, si Chris.
Chris.
Not the bottom of the earth.
Taas ka na dito.
Teka lang, chat niyo yung sprint ko, chat.
Bilis mo, idol.
Par got you, Par. I have my hands. Here, bro. So scary.
Go. Where's the leper?
Get a video.
Red flag. Guys, do you know what our nationality is?
Go. Here.
Asians.
Whoever has the camera, put it here.
Put it in. I mean, pause, but put it in.
Get in, bro.
Guys, we did it. Help.
Wait a minute.
Guys, we did it. Did we do it? Hey,
Yes.
monster.
Yes, monster visitor.
And I'm on shine all night feeling sing.
Guys,
Okay.
Seb. Oh my gosh, this is stream. It's Seb. Go, Seb.
Go, Sam.
Yo, Chris.
You're just good.
You hear me? Barks cutely. Barks cutely.
Barks cute.
What the? So sweet. I can't believe what I'm saying. The girl must really want to play tag with Margaret 1, 2, 3.
Sleep.
The camera.
Go. Sleep. Please go to sleep.
I slept. We slept.
Guys,
We got to go sleep.
Guys, we gotta need a lot of. You need to get 768 views to win this game. So after this, we gotta restart another one.
Oh no! Do we heal?
Now in nightmare. That's my bed.
Rafael is the best recorder. He's brave. So let Rafael do it again.
Tara na, Rafael.
Rafael, you do it. Go. Rafael, where is Rafael?
Okay.
He's already in
We
front.
recorded our nightmares.
Where's the camera?
I'm here.
It's down here. It's down the earth. I'm a left.
Guys, get in.
It's here.
Give me the camera.
Oh, here. Get it. Let's go, guys.
Wait, yeah.
Oh.
Guys, jump.
Guys, there's a monster already there. Fork.
Record mo na.
Ah,
Oh no! Record it!
No!
Let's go, Rush.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go, Rafael.
Let's go.
Rafael.
Kitty fork.
Go, 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 go.
Like a fork.
Kitty fork, man. Okay.
Bro, I must do something fun.
Oh, what?
Bro, can I say something fast?
Guys, put the camera in. Put the camera.
Chef, can I say something fast?
No, this is a family friendly.
Okay, I'm gonna say something fast.
No.
Something fast.
Darn.
See?
Alright guys, we gotta keep after this thing. We're gonna
Flip,
keep
get the
going
flip.
and direct
Wait,
forward.
we gotta upload the video.
I don't really hear Sev.
Huh? Ah.
Yo, yo.
Dev
my-
is my favorite
Sev is
person.
my favorite
I
person.
don't know
Hey,
why.
good looking people. I don't know why your videos
So
only
brave.
views. Sev, you're so brave.
Wow, that's a good
Oh
one.
my gosh, we recorded our night.
Here you go. Here you go. Binigay na kay Rafael. Oh. Oh.
I didn't even see it come.
You're so brave. I think you can see him coming. He's coming at you.
So
Looks like
fun.
it looks like a fork.
Yo, so many views. Guys, let's go smooth.
Okay, we're cool. We're cool.
Left.
Looks like a fork.
Because he is a fork. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Ay, tipi ba? Yeah.
Alright guys, let's do
Play
another
different
one.
game.
Let's do another one guys. Let's do another one.
What game? What game?
This game again, bro.
Bro, why?
Guys.
It's
we
big
need-
scary monsters coming to eat you.
Nuh-uh.
Sabi ko
Nuh-uh.
mimic.
Bro, it says you survived the one day. And then the answer is, yes!
Mimic.
I'm an island boy.
Guys,
Smiley.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
guys, let's go here. Liam, here.
Hurry, hurry.
Not yet, not yet.
Seb.
Yeah?
Chris,
I'm a
Come here.
boy, I'm a tiny soul, my God.
Christmas, dito. The other one.
Okay,
Let's
come
go.
here. Go. Okay, we gotta lock in, boys. We gotta lock in. I can't lock in right now because
Lock
there's
in.
scary monsters.
We need to actually.
Para ako naman ni camera.
Guys, we
Let me do
actually
the
need
camera.
to record longer videos.
Seb,
Okay,
Seb.
we need to record
Huh?
a longer
No,
video.
Raphael. Raphael's the best recorder. So,
What the? How many seconds have you been recording?
18 minutes.
Gamestream.com.
18 minutes,
Let
guys.
us see record
18?
videos and go
Yeah.
Make it
on
to
our
20.
platform.
Now we're gonna make it to like 30 at least, so we can get a good video.
Yeah,
Or
we have to
40.
make good videos.
Yeah, like in real YouTube. Here.
Bro, we have to get popular, sir.
Yeah, we have. Me and
Where's
the
Chris?
boys- me and
Our
the
sub
boys,
goal is our sub goal for today is
50. Wait, give me the camera first.
50.
Give me the camera first. Give me the
we need to
camera
go
first.
like low first. Our sub goal
Come on,
is
let's
5
go.
subscribers.
Our sub goal is 50
Chris!
or 5 cents.
Chris!
Oh,
Over here!
Our sub goal is 50. Okay. Wait.
If
Stop
when
doing
we
the
get
camera,
a
stop
50,
doing
we're
the
gonna
camera.
drop a 50 subscriber special. We're gonna play some we're gonna play some
we're gonna make a
Wait, guys, don't
1
see it
hour
yet. Don't
video.
see it yet, guys. We might spoil all the things. Okay, we might spoil things. Anything over here?
well, let's say it's gonna be really fun, and you're gonna be really excited on what we're gonna do.
You guys really need to take longer videos. A long video is quality video.
Okay, guys, we promise ourselves that we're gonna post every day for 30 minutes.
Nah, I don't think so. We might
Now
not
we can
be able
upload
to
like
do.
1, 2, 3, or 4 times a week because school and we have
Like
to
no,
exam
wait. On
Oh,
school
yeah,
days
let's
we
stay
do
at
it,
this
and
pace because
bro,
I
in
need
weekends we don't. In school days we do it, and weekends we don't.
Why
Deal?
is this so scary?
I rushed.
Uh,
Let's go. Let's go, Raphael.
where are you, Aro?
Just stay at
This is
spawn.
Yeah, I just stay at spawn because I'm like very scared of what's gonna happen. Also, spoiler alert, there's gonna be a clown. There's a clown. There's a clown, there's a spider, there's a one-eyed guy, there's like a lot. Fork guy, shell boy,
It's
there's
a,
a lot.
No. Let's go. Let's go.
oh, he's slow, bro. This guy's slow. Why is he so slow, bro?
Which guy? Shell, is it the shell guy?
Oh, crap.
Is he
Oh,
white?
dear.
Is he white? Is he white?
He's white. He's white.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
That's enough. That's enough.
Is he white or what?
Yeah, it's white.
He's white.
Does he have a shell?
Not to be in a racist way. White.
Does he have a shell?
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a shell. He
Oh,
looks
that's
like a
the-
turtle right now.
That's a shell. That's the shell guy that I was talking about.
Guys, let's go.
Also,
Wait,
be safe
guys,
from the
ano?
cloud. He's very
Zach,
deep.
open.
Huh?
Open.
You guys were here?
Bro, I'm gonna leave. Stop.
Kanjil gets scared. Me too.
No.
Guys, we're gonna be dying.
We're making a longer video.
Longer
Guys, we're gonna make a
more
video every like 3 days. Bro, wait. How about this? Every other day we make a video.
probably.
Like today we do a video. Tomorrow we don't do a video.
Probably you should do that. I don't know. It's
Deal.
okay, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I gotta insert the disc.
And when we have 50 subscribers, we're gonna do
Alright.
something crazy.
Guys, is this Japan?
I'm living a life, guys. Is this Japan? I hope
Sablaki
Sablaki gets it out of that. Meow. Well. Look who's here. Hey there. How does Liam's keeper pipe do it? If I were Liamski 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, I would be shaking in my boots with that snail
Why
being
is it even
behind me.
there? Oh,
How does it carry to?
Views. We're getting views.
Ooh, it's a lot of views.
150.
We need to make longer videos on this game.
Yeah, we need to make longer videos. Longer videos equals a lot more views.
Yeah.
80, 180. Come on, 190. Yes.
Oh,
100 and
190. Nice. Pretty good.
I'm sleeping now.
Pretty good.
Mario, next day.
Next week, bro, we post another video.
Yeah, probably like every weekend we can post.
And sometimes
Oh my
we can
gosh,
post
I
on
broke
school
my
days.
leg.
Yeah,
Someone grab the rush. Raphael.
Oh yeah, that's copyright.
It's over here.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's here, I have it. Give me. What? Don't record yet. Don't record yet.
Wait,
Okay.
give me that camera. I'm gonna do something to it. Wait, give me, Raphael, give me.
I already did it.
Raphael, give me the camera. Just wait.
Dab, I already did it.
Oh. What this?
Chris grabbed it.
Oh. Wait, can I have it? Thank you.
Let's go.
Wait, hold on.
Dab, I know what you're doing. Stop. Let's go. Give me. Give me. Give me.
Here you go.
Nakuha ko.
Bala kayo dyan.
I know a trick up my sleeve. Started back. Okay. LOL.
Ba't na?
LOL.
Kami.
Rap.
Kami.
Rapel.
Kapain.
Hello.
Record mo na to. Uy! Here we
recorded
go.
our nightmares.
Baby Johnson. It runs up.
Baby Johnson. Here we go.
Scary.
I'm gonna come with you to the mall.
Guys, again.
Let's go.
Guys, again, I'm very, very scared.
Where is everybody? My game is laggy.
I give you light.
Sorry if I'm recording this video and you can't see their moments because I'm very scared. I have played this game, so I'm basically scared. Yo! Oh no, he the grid.
Oh, where are y'all, bro?
Boop.
Oh, yeah.
Bayaan mo lang.
It's fork. It's the fork. It's the fork. It's the fork.
Gonna do my little
That's a
dance.
fork. That's a fork.
Hit it. Hit it.
Oh my gosh. Gosh, I died.
Wait, how did you guys die?
Fork
God, yeah,
died.
my only thing is gonna say grab the camera and then record and then just run. Go run. That's the thing.
That's your flashlight.
It's the two forks.
I'm gonna be the very best of them all. Go! Gadget, you're being close. You're getting close. No. You're going out the wrong way. Oh, you're getting closer. You're closer. Okay, you're very, very close now. 62 meters, 54, 50, 49. Hey, bro. I got you. You almost died.
Stop recording.
Di na naka-record.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Where's the
I'll
camera?
deliver. I go. But wait,
We
give me
did
the
it.
camera. Give me the camera.
Why?
Just do it. Gotta record more extra. Oh, it doesn't even have batteries.
So,
Where's the camera?
that's me. Hey,
Hit it.
Dapat kasi hindi pa kayo nag-video eh. So you can get more views.
20 views na nga eh. Hit it.
Forkman is terrifyingly fast. Is he even? Run, Margaret. 12275 run.
one 117 views.
The rock daw so funny. Oh no, he died. Drop.
Subaru died.
Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
Scary. It's so scary.
So scary, guys. This game is very scary. I hate spiders.
Is this real? Is this real?
Oh. Trio country.
Wow, we suck. We suck.
Very. We do. Very, very.
Guys, I'm kinda getting bored now.
Ah.
Let's play Mimic. Ah.
Huh? Let's go.
After this, wanna play a different game?
Yeah, sure.
Mimic
After this
War.
recording, by the way.
Why Mimic?
Mimic is best. Okay.
Huh? Why Mimic?
It's the best horror game ever. No kidding.
Promise to our viewers that we'll play Mimic.
Hit it. Hit it.
You guys play. I gotta go later.
Okay.
Sadly, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
We're doing control. The last day. My turn, guys. It's my turn.
Wait, can I try?
Guys, record my bot. Record me.
Paano mag-record?
Wait, give me the camera. I want to try and record.
Can I do it?
Wait. Give me.
Mm.
Okay. Go. Okay.
My turn.
We haven't recorded yet. Kayo lang nag-record, chat.
I can't believe I'm going here.
Bro, how many minutes have we been recording?
32. We're doing a lot.
Alright, bro. Bro, wait. That you should just play Mimic tomorrow because you said 30 minutes was our max time.
Alright then.
Uh,
Okay, you open the door, not me.
So spooky. This is so spooky. I'm shaking my timbers.
Um,
The
oh, go, guys.
It's good.
You guys go first, okay? Just go first. There's nothing.
nothing, I think.
Oh my gosh.
yo, I'm lagging.
Alright guys, let's go back. I got 20% in my camera.
See something.
Where?
Yeah, I need to go.
Bye bye.
See something.
Where's
Bye. Bye,
I
YouTube.
see something.
bye?
Oh,
I'll see you guys.
I cut the clown. Seb, I cut the clown.
Ah, clown!
Alright. Guys, we're doing a face. No, I'm joking. Guys, are we gonna do a face reveal? No.
Probably.
No.
Yes.
Never. Probably like next year.
Why next year?
Okay, wait. When we get 1,000 subscribers.
100 subscribers.
Okay. 100 subscribers. We're doing a face reveal.
Oh. Dude, this
Alright,
is the
boys.
wrong way. This is the wrong way.
I'll see you in the next video. Peace
Peace.
out.
Peace to God, yeah.
Not actually ending the video. It's just him.
Yeah, we're not gonna end the video yet. Okay, can I get first? Where do you even go?
Oh, do I just left click?
Oh, no, don't go there. That's the dangerous one.
Seb, can you delete the bad parts on the video?
What do you mean?
Can't edit that out. You need of editing software, and I'm
The
the only
type
one
that
who
is
knows
called
how to do.
Tagalog.
Nah. Okay.
This is just raw footage. We want to keep raw footage.
Like,
And
one,
when we get like 5 subscribers, we're actually gonna take this seriously and
yeah.
edit.
Where are you, Al? Chris, where are you?
I'm actually gonna record more.
Dude, that has no batteries anymore. There's no batteries left. Dude, Chris, come back. There's no more batteries.
Going, bro.
Huh? Yeah, it has no batteries, the camera.
And I'm going there, bro.
No more battery. No more battery.
I know, bro.
Wait, where's Rafael?
Probably camping at the top.
Oh, he... He's here, sir.
Damn.
Easy.
Sif, can you pause muna the video?
Nah, I can't. Okay, guys. I put the camera in. Okay, where's the video? Where's the video? Where's the camera? The camera! Okay, put it in.
Dick, disc. Getting the discs. Discs. This. Insert disc. There we go.
I love you guys!
I love you guys.
I love you guys! I love you guys! That is probably a bra moment.
He commented on our video. It's Diddy. Taking it to the Diddy team.
Are they more surprises?
No, why are we so low on comments? We need more
Wait,
comments.
we haven't even showed the cloud yet. We haven't even showed the cloud yet.
Waiting for something exciting to happen. I'm not feeling it insane. I want more action. More.
More action! Where's the
Let it
cloud?
be soon.
Oh, cloud! I hate
Clown. I hate clowns. Stay away.
I hate cloud. Stay away from his balloon. Funny. I love scary children on the internet. By oh, this is where the battery runs out.
Good video views.
500 views. That's crazy. What's one?
Almost
Stupid.
made it. Not ending.
Right. So this is basically the end of the video. I guess see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.